Welcome back to Gino's Creative Cooking. If you are new here, you are welcome. Today we are celebrating Botswana's independence. It got independence on this day from United Kingdom, 1966. And we are also cooking one of the staples meal in Botswana, which is sorghum meal, Bogobe. It's called Bogobe. Sorghum meal, you can turn it into a porridge, like soft meal, more like cereal. Very healthy thing, very healthy stuff. Well, you just mix it with water. Here I have mixed it with fermented milk. It's good stuff, good stuff. We also like making this fermented milk in Botswana. It's called madila. So here I'm making the soft porridge, but you can also make it like kind of hard, like on the thick side, and you eat it with meat and veggies any way you like. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe after watching this video. Thank you for watching. Alexa, what can you tell me about Botswana's independence?
From wikipedia.org. Botswana has been a republic in the Commonwealth of Nations since independence in 1966.